Hello and welcome. These days, I have been talking about the psychological skills needed to be developed for leading a happy and productive life. One of the skills that we need to develop for leading a productive life is self esteem. Self esteem is made up of six dimensions or six pillars. In the previous video, I spoke about living consciously. In the second video, I spoke about self acceptance and self responsibility. Today, I am going to speak about self assertiveness. Self assertiveness is a skill where a person is able to speak about his needs, his wants, his opinions, and his thoughts without being aggressive or rude and without being fearful. It so many times happens that people put forth their opinions or their thoughts, and their facial expression and their body language signifies aggressiveness or rudeness. And many times it happens so that they are so afraid of speaking their mind that they do not say anything. But it is very important to be able to express your thoughts and your opinions in a plain way or in an assertive way where it really matters. I can give you examples of this lack of self assertiveness. Like if a friend rings you up when you are about to leave for office and have an important meeting, sometimes you do not say anything to the friend because that you can't entertain him right now, or you are just now leaving for the office, or you are going to be busy all day long. You don't say that just because you are afraid of offending your friend. That means you are not showing self assertiveness. Another very common example that we see during student life is that many students just do not clarify their doubts for the fear that are their doubts or are their questions even valid, so they lack self assertiveness. And so many times it happens so that people borrow money, people may borrow books or things from you and they do not return. But we are actually reluctant to ask them to return our things, or we fear that they will feel bad about it and we do not ask it. So, in all these situations, we are showing a complete lack of self assertiveness. If we are not able to be assertive in our relationships, in life in general, and in places where it really does matter, then it is very less possible that we lead a happy and a productive life, because being aware of our thoughts, feelings, actions, or our goals is one thing, and bringing it into your words is another thing. And if you cannot bring your thoughts or your opinions into words, then there is a severe lack of self esteem inside you. You have to work towards being truthful, being assertive, and expressing your opinions. Thank you.